So with our new chains here, we've got them laid out ready for installation, and we've color coded the connecting points. You'll have yellow to yellow, white to white, and black, or the blue there, to blue. We're going to use a 4x6 to roll the inside dual onto to help get clearance on the outside dual, so it'll make it easier to put the chains on. What's important when you're rolling that 4x4, we need the tags down to help add that extra clearance on the outside drive tire. Just connecting the inside connector. We'll work on the outside connectors. So he's got a white to white. Right there. And he's gonna do the yellow through the yellow. Zip ties in the way. And we're gonna go right there, black to black. Now he's gonna take one section at a time, and pull tension. Take the last end with the spring and the carabiner hook. Cross over. We have to cross over a couple places and get adequate tension. Pull the spring as tight as you can to find the tightest connecting point you can. There we go. Snug as a bug. And add bungees as needed for extra tension.